Welcome to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the place where creativity and superheroes come alive. Today we're going to draw and color three of the most amazing heroes, Spider-Man, Hulk, and Spider-Gwen. Each character will come to life step by step with simple drawing lines and then bright coloring. So grab your pencils, markers, or crayons and join us on this exciting adventure. Let's dive in and bring these powerful heroes onto our page together. We begin with Spider-Gwen, the stylish and brave hero. Her slim body and strong stance are sketched step by step. Next, we carefully draw her hood, which is one of her most unique features. Her mask is smooth with large eyes that give her a mysterious look. We add details on her arms and legs to show the special designs of her suit. With each line, Spider-Gwen's outline becomes bold and full of energy. Now it's time to fill Spider-Gwen's costume with colors. Inside her hood and some parts of her costume, we add shades of pink and purple. Her suit is mostly white, so we carefully color around to keep it neat and clean. Her shoes and gloves are also shaded to match her iconic look. By the end, Spider-Gwen looks stylish, powerful, and ready for action. Next, we move on to the strongest Avenger, Hulk. We add his face with sharp eyebrows and an angry expression. Huge body and wide muscles that make him look powerful. His fists are drawn big, as if he's smashing through the paper. His short pants are sketched to complete his classic superhero look. With bold strokes, Hulk's outline shows his unstoppable strength. Now Hulk comes alive with his classic green color. We fill his entire body with strong green shades to show his muscles. Darker green is added to his arms and chest for extra depth. Next, we color his pants bright purple, making him instantly recognizable. We shade his hair with black to highlight his fierce face. Once colored, Hulk looks powerful and ready to smash. Finally, we bring in Spider-Man, the web-slinging hero. We sketch the outline of his head and body in a crouching superhero pose. His large mask eyes are drawn to make him stand out. Next, we add the web lines across his costume carefully. His arms and legs are posed as if he's ready to leap into action. With a few final details, Spider-Man's drawing is complete and full of life. Now Spider-Man gets his bold red and blue colors. Blue is added to his legs and arms to complete his classic look. Then we carefully darken the web lines to make the details clear. His mask eyes are left white, glowing against the red. Bright red for most of his costume. When finished, Spider-Man looks dynamic and ready to swing into action. That's all for today's drawing adventure on Kiddo Adventure Zone. We brought Spider-Gwen, Hulk, and Spider-Man to life with sketching and coloring. Each hero looks full of power, style, and action. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun. Keep practicing your art, and we'll see you in the next colorful superhero adventure.